We wanted to do this to give back to our students so that there's the sense of camaraderie, conviviality. You know, it's such a great event where we can give back and celebrate our students.
Today is our biannual cast iron competition. This is my favorite event of the year because it brings everybody together from current students, instructors, industry professionals, alumni, friends and family. Everyone can come either watch, support, take part, sponsor, judge, donate something. There are many ways to be involved, and it's all about having fun and getting everyone working together. Just before the competition started, we drew names for the team. So the students and alumni, they didn't know who was on their team. They knew all the participants, but they didn't know their team specifically. So a lot of them had never met each other. They haven't worked with each other. They need to be able to work creatively to come up with an interesting menu. They need to communicate with each other and manage their tasks, manage their time. Each team has to prepare a 3-course meal using all of the mandatory black box ingredients, which are flat iron steak from Canada beef, ricotta cheese, a baguette, navel oranges, Thai basil, fresh ginger, and baby carrots. And so anywhere within those 3 courses, they must use all of those components in a creative way.
Hi, my name is Matthew Paré. We're here, Canada Beef, involved in the cast iron competition here at SAIT today, engaging with SAIT and the culinary students to really bring out the skills and also a focus on opportunities with Canadian beef. Today the students are working with flat iron steak, a cut of beef that has a beautiful rich flavor and also excellent marbling, and it delivers really nice, juicy, full flavored steak cuts. So either grilled or pan seared, you're going to see awesome work from those teams today, taking advantage of those attributes in that cut of beef.
What I've always told my students, you apply what you have learned. So communication, teamwork, and hopefully they will have this sense of pride and confidence that they never knew existed in them. And with this experience, you know, you get to see different things and hopefully be a little bit more creative as well. Seeing the students' faces and their nervousness, because I was once a competitor many moons ago, a long time ago. I want them to experience what I have experienced because it's it has shaped me to who I am today and who I am as an educator, as a culinarian.
It's hard to be really focused. I think half of the battle is mentally prepared. So staying calm and focused, being organized with a work plan of some sort, a little bit of time management, a little bit of product management, and then constant communication. As you're doing a job, think of your next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. I have to do this is simmering, this is in the oven. And you need to be able to try to keep track in your head of all the things going on. We have a wonderful group of judges here who have joined us, composed of SAIT culinary instructors as well as chefs from the industry in the city of Calgary. We have tasting judges and we have kitchen judges. So the teams are judged on 2 different criteria. In the kitchen, they're looking at, of course, cleanliness and organization. How are the teams communicating? How are they using product, not wasting product? Working effectively, awareness of all the natural things that are happening in a kitchen at any given time. And then the tasting judges, they're only grading on the plate itself. What do they see on the plate? How is it composed and balanced? Is it hot? Should it be hot? Is it cold? And then, of course, the taste and the composition of the actual dishes. We've done this I don't know how many times, and it keeps growing, it keeps getting better, keeps getting bigger. And again, the volunteers and the people that show up, I have to say it one more time, it's really the reason why we're here. All of you who signed up, who showed up, you need to give can we have one round of applause for everybody just for coming in?
The winners for this March's 2024 cast iron competition is team number 1.
Our names can be right there. Right there.